हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते भक्तां चंदुरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै वृंदावै केशवस्य वैष्णवती देवी सप्तवत्यै नमो नमः अपराधवत्यै कृताश्च कामादिकरं धर्मस्य कृपामयित्वां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं नारायण अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्य वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रं ततो मन्यते कथेर्नताम् देवी कापूर गदगदयद्वाचा याति प्रत्यभुवेदं गवदुषार्ति अश्रविराममङ्गल युक्त्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणसंस्थिते अङ्गश्यामलवीक्षटां नीतिदन्द्रीवरं जग्गं याजुगरोजिषं पट्टं वरसस्य दामोदरं राधासन्तनिवेशोज्जलोचनं तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाते राधे पीताम्बरादरुणबिम्बफलादृष्टात् पूर्णेन्द्रसुन्दरमुखादरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात्मसक्तं किमपि अहं न जानामि श्रीकृष्णचैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानन्द Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. सर्वसमय उत्पाद करेगा प्रविष्टम युवा अष्टोत्तरशतमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री महाराज एवं करेगा प्रविष्टम युवा अष्टोत्तरशतमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण श्री महाराज के अनंत बड़ी शासन तत्पश्चात निकलेगा प्रविष्टम युवा अष्टोत्तरशतमान महाराज शिला गुरु श्री महाराज शिला भक्ति श्री महाराज एवं विद्वान माधव महाराज उपस्थित चरण पौधों में मेरा हम लोग कृष्ण की अयोध्या तिथि जन्म वृत्तांत के पश्चात मृत्यु कथा हम लोग
So we were hearing about Lord Krishna's stories from many days on behalf of Lord Krishna's appearance day. So now upcoming Srimati Radhika's appearance day. So we heard about Braj also. Brajayati Chalayati Idi Brajaha. So Brajvasis move from one place to another. Why? So at that time they used to herd cows. So wherever they get the grass, there they used to shift. When the grass is over in the one place, they used to shift to another place. And their daily business is like collecting the milk, preparing curds, butter, milk, yogurt, ghee. So these were.
इस प्रकार शास्त्रों में वर्णन किया विजयती चलयती दमयती की तरह। फिर दूसरी बात भी दिखा जाता है कि कृष्ण की प्रवचन में
In scriptures also it is mentioned that Brajayati Chalayati iti Brajaha. So another cause was demons were disturbing there. They used to cause trouble for Krishna. So they used to shift from one place to another.
उस गांव के निकटवर्ती गांव में वृषभानु महाराज की
So coincidentally, wherever Nand Maharaj was there, and in the next village, Vrishabhanu Maharaj also used to be always.
और निकटवर्ती गांव में नंद महाराज तो हम वृषभानु महाराज कीर्तिदा देवी की जीवन चरित्र कथा हम श्रवण करेंगे।
So now Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kirtida Devi. So we will hear the glorious life history or pastime of Sri Vrishabhanu and Kirtida Devi, the parents of Srimati Radhika. So we should know about Sri Radhika's father and mother also.
भाई आप कौन है? राष्ट्रपति के माता पिता के बारे में भी लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि वंश क्या है कि नहीं? ठीक उसी प्रकार श्रीमती राधा की माता पिता के बारे में हमारे पुराणों में अनेक पुराण, ब्रह्म वैवर्त पुराण, ब्रह्मांड पुराण,
So the brief history.
अनेक पुराण में श्री व्यासदेव जी ने इसी कथा को जो है अत्यंत सुंदर रूप से बताया। केवल राधा जी के जन्म वृत्तांत नहीं, उनकी माता पिता के भी बारे में बताया।
So in various scriptures it is mentioned about Srimati Radhika and about her father and mothers also. In Brahma Vaivarta Puran, in Krishna Janma Khand chapter, it is mentioned like this. Once upon a time, Shri Narad Muni came to Vaikunta and paid his obeisance to the Lord. And Shri Narad Muni asked to Lord Vishnu, "O Lord, please tell me about Shri Kirtida Devi, because everyone knows about Shri Radhika, but we want to know about her parents also." Kirtida Devi. What is the mother name of Radharani? Kalavati or Kirtida Devi. Kirti dene wale, one who gives the fame. is Kirtida.
कीर्तिदा देवी की बात आई। इसलिए
So,
आप मुझे कृपा करके
O Bhagavan,
मां कीर्तिदा देवी के बारे में
please mercifully tell me about Mother Kirtida.
इस कथा को सुनकर के स्वयं भगवान नारायण
So, by hearing the words of Sri Narad, Lord Vishnu or Lord Narayan become very much pleased.
भगवान नारायण कहने लगे
And Lord Narayan stated like this: O Narad Rishi, this is a confidential story
क्योंकि ये कलावती
because
बात कीर्तिदा
this Kalavati or Kirtida,
ये साक्षात लक्ष्मी की अंशता है।
she is the part and parcel of Sri Lakshmi Devi.
कलावती कीर्तिदा के एक ही नाम से कलावती कहा जाता है। वही कलावती जो है विश्वानु महाराज की पत्नी के रूप में
So the same Kalavati got married to Vrishabhanu Maharaj. Kirtida. So Kalavati and Kirtida, these are the two names
कीर्ति क्या है?
of mother of fame.
कीर्ति मध्ये कौन कीर्ति है?
These are the two names of mother of Radharani.
कृष्ण भक्ति और
Kirti means what?
राधा के चरण में हमारी प्रेमा भक्ति
So Krishna Bhakti, and the topmost in Krishna Bhakti is
कृष्ण भक्ति की तरफ उसने झुकता है।
love towards Radharani's lotus feet. This is Gaudiya Vedanta's philosophy.
भक्ति करना चाहते हैं कि कृष्ण
Which one you want? You want Krishna Bhakti or Radharani's Bhakti?
क्यों?
We want Radharani's Bhakti. Why?
कृष्ण को भक्ति करनी नहीं चाहिए। हाँ? हाँ, यदि कृष्ण
So why you want Radharani's? We should do Radharani Bhakti because by doing Radharani's Bhakti devotion, Krishna's devotion will come automatically.
तो कृष्ण अपने आप उसके पीछे दौड़ेंगे।
So if you do the devotion towards Radharani, Krishna will run behind you.
हमारे गौड़ी सिद्धांत के राधा नाम कीर्तन करने से स्वयं कृष्ण ही कृष्ण हो जाते हैं। अरे कोई कृष्ण नाम
So our Gaudiya Siddhanta is like that. If you do Radhanam Kirtan, the Lord Krishna will be pleased very easily. But if you do Krishna Kirtan, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Everyone sing Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam.
कितना सुंदर राधा प्रसन्न हो गए।
So Radharani also get pleased by Krishna's Kirtan and Radharani's Kirtan. Everyone sing. Sannavakram taje nikunja bhuvilasini Nandini Vrajendra Sunu Sangate Kada Karishyasi Yamam Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam.
कौन प्रसन्न हो जाए?
So who will be pleased? Krishna will be pleased.
राधा जी की कोई कीर्तन करे, राधा जी की महिमा कोई कीर्तन करे,
If you do Radharani's Kirtan and if you glorify Srimati Radharani, Krishna will be so pleased. If you do glorification of Krishna and Kirtans of Krishna, Radharani will be pleased. Kishora Ranerati Arana Himora
पूरे के लिए कदम मेरे बने
Kadam
रतन बेदीरा
बहुत सुंदर। बातें इतने सुंदर हैं, बंगला इतने सुंदर में मीठा सा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा। तो ये है युगल उपासना हमारे दिखाया।
So this is Jugal Upasana. Not only Radha's Krishna, Radha's bhajan, not only Krishna's bhajan. We should do Jugal. Gaudiya Vaishnava's Upasana is Jugal. Both together, Radha and Krishna.
राधिका कृष्ण राधा कृष्ण की जुगल सरकार की भजन हमारे आचार्य पादों ने दर्शन दिखाया। मंदिर भाव की उपासना ये वैशिष्ट है। जब भी राधा जी के प्रति एकांत की निष्ठा दिखाई गई।
So, if you have one pointed nishtha towards Radharani, and if you do service to Srimati Radharani, these are shown by our Acharya Varga.
नारायण के निकट प्रार्थना करने लगे। उनके बारे में विश्वभानु महाराज और कृतिका देवी के बारे में हम कहना चाहते हैं।
So we are now getting into the story of Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Kirtida Devi. By hearing the Narada's words, Lord Narayan himself said, "This is a very confidential story, Narad.
विश्वभानु महाराज और श्रीमती राधिका ये दोनों ही जो है कृष्ण के अत्यंत जो है
So, Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Srimati
श्रीमती राधिका की प्रकाश कहाँ से
Vrishabhanu Maharaj and Srimati Radhika, both the personalities are very near and dear to Lord Krishna. Ramita Vishake Radhe Jai Jai
विश्वभानु महाराज के हृदय मानो समुद्र के भांति है।
So Vrishabhanu Maharaj's heart is like an ocean, and
जिस प्रकार श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण की अत्यंत प्यारी
Vrishabhanu Maharaj's heart is like the ocean, and the moon is Srimati Radhika.
इसलिए अगर ये श्रीमती राधिका की बात करें कृष्ण के अंतरंग शक्ति है।
Srimati Radhika is the internal potency of Lord Shri Krishna.
श्रीमती राधिका जहाँ पर पैर रखती है,
Wherever Srimati Radhika steps her feet, just by the divine touch of her lotus feet, this earth, Mother Earth, will be so pleased. So many great demigods, Vaishnavas, they are very eager to have the darshan of Srimati Radharani's lotus feet. Brahmaji have done stuti, Uddhav has done stuti, very beautifully they have said. And Narad Rishi started to say, Hey Prabhu, please tell me about Shri Kalavati Maya and how Kalavati and Vrishabhanu Maharaj got married. By hearing these words, Lord Narayan said, O Narad, listen.
After hearing this question, the Lord replied, please state in the Puran Itihas. Previously stated that in the ancient time there were 3 daughters who manifested from the mind of Prithvi God.
So, in Brahmavirta Puran it is mentioned that Lord Narayan stated this. There were 3 daughters, One was Kalavati,
बाद में नाम हुआ कीर्तिदा।
later known as Kirtida.
और क्या नाम बताया याद है? रत्नमाला और
Ratnamala and Menaka.
ये रत्नमाला
Kalavati,
जो है,
Ratnamala and Menaka.
जनक महाराज के साथ
Ratnamala got married to Janak Maharaj,
और मेनका
Parvat Maharaj.
हिमालय
So Menaka got married to Himalayas,
और हिमालय
the
ही
king of mountain.
श्री हरि के अंश माना जाता है।
And Himalaya, the king of mountain, is the part and parcel of
और
Lord
हिमालय
Hari.
के कन्या सती देवी।
And the daughter of Himalaya and Menaka is Sati Devi,
इसके
Parvati.
साथ विवाह किया, शिव जी के साथ विवाह हुआ।
And she got married to Lord Shiva.
और रत्नमाला की पुत्री
And Ratnamala's daughter is Sita Devi.
और इस
who
सीता
got
जी
married to Janak Maharaj.
रामचंद्र के साथ विवाह हुआ।
And this Sita got married to Sri Ram. So this is the story mentioned in the Puran.
इसके बाद जो है कलावती सुचंद्रा के साथ विवाह किया।
Kalavati married with Suchandra,
ये सुचंद्रा
King Suchandra.
की डायनेस्टी कहा जाता है, मनु वंश से है।
This Suchandra's dynasty is from Manu. Manu is the father of
यहाँ पे
mankind.
सुचंद्रा कलावती के साथ विवाह करके अत्यंत सौभाग्य माना।
After marrying with Kalavati, Suchandra himself was feeling that he was very fortunate.
सुचंद्रा और कलावती के नाम में है, पूर्व काल में परिचित थे, विशेष करके है,
So Vrishbhanu Maharaj and Kirtida Maya's previous life was Suchandra and Kalavati.
कैसे सुचंद्रा और कलावती
Here Suchandra and Kalavati,
ये लोग कैसे राधा जी की प्राप्ति किया।
how they obtained Srimati Radhika as their daughter. Everything is as explained in Shastras. One day King Suchandra
तपस्या करते
went for doing severe austerity. Oh, monkey cave. There is a monkey in the temple hall disturbing all the devotees.
ये कहाँ से आते?
पूजन के आगे मंदिर में
Hey, shush. Monkey went.
अरे सब लोग बोला मत करो।
You are very brave.
Devotees are appreciating Gaura because he chased the monkey. पुष्पान और कलावती, पुष्पान और कलावती, कीर्तिदा उसका पूर्व जन्म.
पूर्वजन्म भी इतिहास बता है। ये सुचंद्र जो है
Suchandra, this Suchandra
कठोर तपस्या ब्रह्मा जी की कठोर तपस्या है।
went for severe austerity for pleasing Lord Brahma.
उस तपस्या से प्रसन्न हुई
By pleased by his penance, Lord Brahma appeared
और तपस्या करते करते वो उनके शरीर जो है मिट्टी के तरह ढक गया, इतनी कठोर तपस्या कर।
So, while doing the severe austerity, his body was completely submerged by the sand and mud, thousands and thousands years, standing on the single leg,
हजारों साल
raising his both the hands, thousand years he did
तब
severe austerity.
शरीर मिट्टी के द्वारा ढक गया
His body was completely
और
submerged
केवल
by the mud.
किसी प्रकार से जो हड्डी में मानो प्राण रहे। इतने समय ब्रह्मा जी प्रकट हुए।
So it was about to leave his body. At that time, Lord Brahma appeared through his Kamandalu gel. He sprinkled on his body. In his body, there was only skeleton present. मिट्टी में ढक गया।
दीमक पट्टी कर दें तो।
अच्छा, इसके बाद ब्रह्मा जी प्रकट हुए। ब्रह्मा जी अपने कमंडल के जल के द्वारा
So Lord Brahma appeared and
शरीर में केवल
he sprinkled the holy water on Suchandra's body. In the body there was only skeleton.
और फिर ब्रह्मा जी कहने लगे परम गुरु गौर मानो।
So then Brahmaji asked, you ask any benediction? I become very pleased by your severe austerity.
इस कथा को सुन करके
By hearing this story, Suchandra spoke to Brahmaji. Oh Brahmaji, please give me liberation.
त्रिवर्ग की जानते हैं। त्रिवर्ग क्या है? धर्म अर्थ काम। बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं क्या है? चतुर्वर्ग।
So this
धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष।
materialistic people know only three things: Dharma, Artha, Kam. And very few people know about moksha or liberation. And in that, even more few people only know about Krishna Bhakti or Krishna Prem.
ज्यादातर लोग इस संसार में किस बारे में जानते हैं?
Trivarga. Dharta Kam. Dharma, Artha, Kam is known as Trivarga.
आगे कोई नहीं चाहे वो मुक्ति के बारे में कहते हैं, भगवान मुझे मुक्ति दिलाइए।
So only few people know and they ask for liberation from the Lord, because many people doesn't know what is the liberation means.
गौड़ीय वैष्णव में तो मुक्ति के विचार बहुत सूक्ष्म रूप में वर्णन
So our Gaudiya Vaishnavas describe this liberation very sensitive. Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya, 5 types of mukti. Sarupya. Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya, Shashti, Ekatvam.
किंतु उसके भी आगे भी मुक्ति के बारे में बहुत कुछ व्याख्या है। चलो हम
So there are many types of muktis like this.
ब्रह्मा जी के बोले
So we'll not go deeper into this. Just coming back to the story. So this Suchandra asked for revelation from Lord Brahma.
मुक्ति देने के लिए जा रहे थे, एवं ऐसे कहने के जा रहे थे।
Brahma was ready to give him liberation. At that time, his wife Kalavati asked to Brahma, "Hey Brahma, if you give liberation for my wife, then what is my condition?"
तो उस समय ब्रह्मा जी कहने लगे,
So at that time, Lord Brahma said, "Hey Kalavati,
तुम्हारा बिना मुक्ति नहीं दे सकते, दोनों की मैं
I will not give liberation without you to your husband. I will give for both of you." So Brahmaji said, "You both of you go to the Svargalok, heavenly planet, and stay there for many years and enjoy the things there. And later you will take birth in this Bharatavarsha,
कृष्ण के जो है
and
रागिनी शक्ति स्वरूपिणी श्रीमती राधा की
Lord Krishna's Hladini Shakti, Srimati Radhika, will come as daughter to you."
कलावती के जो है
So Lord Brahma gave his benediction to Suchandra and Kalavati in this way.
और
So in this way, Suchandra and Kalavati,
सर्वलोक में
for many years, they enjoyed the heavenly planet pleasures.
जहाँ गए गोकुमार,
Like in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Gopkumar, where and all he went,
गोकुमार राजा बन गए,
he became king.
कहाँ से राजा बन के गए? प्रयाग की बात तो चलेंगे उनका
Jagannathpuri. Ujjaini.
कहाँ गए? याद है? अरे गोकुमार जी का जो है गोकुमार, मंदिर के राजा बन गए कि नहीं बन गए? फिर जगन्नाथपुरी के भी महान राजा को बन गए।
So Gopkumar
स्वर्गलोक में
became the king of Jagannath Puri. He became Indra in the heavenly planet, the king of heavenly planet. Where and all he went.
ये कहने के लिए कितने हजारों साल तक लग जाते हैं।
So it will take lifetimes, thousands and thousands of years.
ये दोनों जो है सुचंद्र
So in this way,
और
Suchandra and Kalavati, both of them,
अनेकों साल का सर्कसुख
they were enjoying the pleasures of heavenly planet for a long
फिर
time.
इस संसार में
After that, they had to come to this material world.
आए भारतवर्ष में जन्म ग्रहण किया।
They
और
took birth
उन्होंने
here
गोकुल में
in this material world,
सुरभानु
and especially
और
in
पद्मावती
the Gokul Dham.
के रूप में प्रकट हुए।
Surabhanu and Padmavati.
वृषभानु के महाराज के रूप में जाने लगे। ये सब कथा पुराण में है।
Surabhanu and
ब्रह्म
Padmavati.
वैवर्त पुराण में ये सब वर्णन है। इसके पश्चात
So Surabhanu and Padmavati's son was Vrishabhanu.
श्रीमती राधिका कैसे प्रकट हुई उसके बारे में
And further, how Srimati Radhika appeared,
इनके
we will
पूर्वजों
see
की
now.
इतिहास इसी प्रकार ब्रह्म वैवर्त पुराण में
So as per his
वर्णन
previous life,
और इस पुराण
in the
की कथा
same way,
विश्व
in
पुराण
Brahmavarta Puran, it is mentioned like this. Till now, whatever you have heard, it is mentioned in Brahmavarta Puran. Now coming to the Bhavishya Puran, what is mentioned in Bhavishya Puran about this, we will see. So once Narad Muni came in front of Krishna and asked about Sri Radhika. And the same story, same conversation was asked by Shaunakadi Rishis to Suta Goswami. So how they asked? They are asking, Maharaj is telling now. So one time Shaunakadi Rishis asked Suta Goswami about the birth of Srimati Radhika. So Shaunakadi Rishis, they were telling, hey Rishigan, we heard that Narad and Krishna's, Suta Goswami is telling to Shaunakadi Rishis in response that whatever I heard from Narad and Krishna's conversation, I am going to tell you. So here further explains Suta Goswami, once Lord Surya wandering everywhere. So in the scriptures it is said that Lord Surya is the Adhishthatri Devata, presiding deity. So winds Adhishthatri Devata is Vayudev, Prithvi Devi is the Adhishthatri Devata of this earth, presiding deity, and this presiding deity only will make all the works. Like in our body also there are so many parts. Indra, Surya, Shiva, Chandra, Ashwini Kumar. So Vishnu. So in Srimad Bhagavatam, in second canto it is mentioned, like in our body there are so many parts, eyes, mouth, hand. So there are presiding deities for all these parts also, like for hand Indra, for eyes Surya, for mind Chandra, in the same way. So Suryadev, the presiding deity, he was going everywhere because he is Adhishthatri Devata, he can be anywhere. He was riding his horse in the beautiful chariot. Sat, Dwadash. So there are 12 horses in the Surya Dev's chariot.
अब तक तो 7 से नहीं 5 रुपए पड़ेंगे हैं?
7 बड़े हो गए।
7 बड़े थे 7
12 का। अच्छा चलो।
कितने
हमसे पुरानी लिखी तो 12 का है।
यहाँ तो लिखी हुई बात सही है हमारी
द्वादश आदित्य आदित्य को नहीं
द्वादश
So Dwadash Aditya means Dwadash Surya.
सुनते
There are a logic. Some people say it is 7, some people say it is 11, some people say it is 12. It may be mentioned. It may be mentioned in different Puranas as per the different kalpas. There is no issues. So one devotee is asking to Maharaj that there are 7 days, so there are 7 horses. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So 7 weeks in a day and 7 horses. Just a sweet conversation with Maharaj and one devotee. So coming back to the story again. So Lord Sun was wandering everywhere in his chariot with the help of his horses. He came to Kashyap Rishi's ashram.
कश्यप ऋषि के आश्रम में जब पधारे देखा कश्यप ऋषि की इतने सुंदर ऐश्वर्य देख करके सूर्य आश्चर्य
Vishnu.
कितने बड़ा लिखा है 7 अच्छा कश्यप ऋषि के इतने ऐश्वर्य आदि देख करके
So by seeing the opulence of Kashyap Rishi, Suryadev became tempted.
देख करके विचार करने लगे ये मुझे भी ऐसे कोई सब्जेक्ट चाहिए
So Suryadev also got desire that even I want this kind of opulence.
पर्वत में जाकर के
So Suryadev went to the foothills of Mandara mountains and did thousands and thousands years of severe austerity. By seeing this austerity, even Indra was feared.
शास्त्र में कहा गया
In the scriptures it is mentioned,
कभी मनुष्य तक भी कठोर तपस्या करे ना
if any person does
सबसे भाई
severe austerity, first Indra will get feared.
भाई होता है
He will get so much feared that he thinks that this person will take away my chair,
सुनने के पंडित ये क्या बोले फकीर साहब सुन ले
my power.
नहीं सुन ले किसका भाई होता है
Indra को.
कोई तपस्या करे या फिर कोई ब्रह्मचर्य पालन करे ना इंद्र नहीं डर हो जाता है पुराण में नहीं तो कथा क्योंकि इंद्र
So in Shastras there are many things, like even if brahmachari does a severe austerity or severe brahmacharya, even Indra will get fear. So Indra prayed to Lord Brahma, "Oh Brahma, Brahmadev, this Suryadev is doing so much penance. I think he is going to take my chair and power." So Lord Brahma prayed to Lord Vishnu, saying that, "Please you tell me, Lord Vishnu, about this." So Lord Vishnu said, "Whatever you are thinking is not good, is not true. This sun god is doing tapasya for everyone's good thing, for everyone's auspiciousness." So Lord Vishnu himself appeared in front of Lord Sun, God Sun. By having the darshan of Lord Vishnu, Sun God prayed like this, "O God, please you give me a daughter for me."
इस कथा को सुन करके स्वयं भगवान बोले
So by hearing this, Lord said,
हे गदाधर हे गोविंद आप तो सर्वनियंता हो
so sorry. Now Sun God is speaking to the Vishnu.
आप मुझे
Hey Govinda,
कृपा करें ये आप मुझे एक पुत्री प्रदान करें। इस कथा को सुन करके स्वयं भगवान कहने लगे
so Sun God prayed to Lord Vishnu, hey Vishnu, you are the controller of everyone and give me a daughter who controls even you?
तो सूर्यदेव कहने लगे आपके भी प्रेम के द्वारा
So first Suryadev asked like this, hey controller, give me a daughter. Then Vishnu asked, what kind of daughter you want?
सुन करके
So he said, the daughter who will even control you, I want that daughter. So by hearing this, Lord Vishnu replied to sun god,
तुम्हारी पुत्र हो पुत्री हो
my Hladini Shakti Srimati Radhika will appear to you as daughter
विश्वभानु
and
महाराज के रूप में
you will appear in the Braj known as Vrishabhanu Maharaj.
वही श्रीमती राधिका जो है वही सूर्यदेव
Suryadev
विश्वभानु महाराज के रूप में
प्रकट हुआ. So the same sun god appeared as Vrishabhanu Maharaj in Braj. So Surya's another name is Bhanu, Bhaskar, Bhanu. So in the Bhavishya Puran, everything is related. The same sun god came in one of his Amsharup. He appeared in the form of Vrishabhanu Maharaj, and as per the wish of Lord Srimati Radhika appeared as his daughter. So like this in Bhavishya Puran there are so many stories. So in this it is stated further like this, O Narad Muni, this Narad Muni will be preaching everywhere in all the places. So there are so many stories like this. Kalpa Vedeshu Harikatha. In different kalpa there are different kind of pastime. In some kalpa, Radhaji appeared in the womb of Kirtida Devi, like how Krishna took birth in the womb of Yashoda Devi womb. In the same way, Radhika also in some kalpa she took birth in the womb of Mother Kirtida. So there are so many leelas and so many stories like this. Brahma Puran, Padma Puran, Brahma Vivarta Puran, Bhavishya Puran, so many Puranas. There is different stories mentioned about the birth of Srimati Radhika, how Radharani took birth. In this kalpa, Radharani, how she appeared? She appeared in Raval, where Vrishabhanu Maharaj was taking bath in the morning time. So there he got Srimati Radhika. In some kalpa in Barsana, she appeared in Barsana. Vrishabhanu birth in the pond there in the morning times. Sometimes she appeared there in some kalpa. In some other kalpa, Srimati Radhika appeared in the fire. In some other kalpa, Srimati Radhika also appeared so in some kalpa, Srimati Radhika was appeared in the and that egg was hatched naturally and Srimati Radhika appeared. So Kalpa Vedeshu Harikatha, Srimati Radhika's this confidential birth is there. There are so many things in so many different. How Lord Krishna killed so many demons. In the same way, Srimati Radhika also killed so many demons in her childhood. When Srimati Radhika was very young, she used to kill two demons, three demons. When Srimati Radhika was in 3 months age, Kirtida. So one time Mother Kirtida Devi went to the bathing in Yamuna. So Srimati Radhika was 3-4 months old baby. She was sitting in the bank of Yamuna and Kirtida Devi was taking bath in Yamuna. At that time, one big crocodile, she catch the Mother Kirtida's leg and taking away. So Radhika Devi was sitting on the banks of Yamuna. Very big crocodile. She hold the feet of Kirtida Devi and started to take her away. And all the Sakhis of Kirtida Devi started to cry. But this small cute girl, Radhika, 3 months old, she was seeing. She becomes so much angry. And she just jumped on the crocodile, like how Sri Durga has 10 to 12 hands. In the same way, Srimati Radhika also, she took a divine weapon and she chopped the mouth of crocodile. And later, this crocodile died and took a divine Apsara form and did Savastuti of Srimati Radhika. So Radhika asked, how did you take birth as a crocodile? So the Apsara stated like this: once in heavenly planet, so this one Apsara, by seeing Durvasa Rishi, she did some offense towards the lotus feet of Durvasa Maharshi. She did Sadhu Avagnya, offense. She did offense to the Sadhu. Like sometimes in Chaturmasya we keep so much beard, it will look so much awkward. Some people tease. So something like this happened in heavenly planet. So this Apsara offended Durvasa Rishi, and Durvasa Maharshi gave curse. Go, you become a crocodile. Offense, avagya means offense. Disobey. No, offense. So she asked mercy from Durvasa Rishi, and Durvasa Maharshi said that Srimati Radhika will appear she will appear to Kirtida Devi, and the same Radhika will deliver you from this crocodile form. In this way, that Apsara did Savastuti of Srimati Radhika and she went back to heavenly planets. So these things are mentioned, and not only these, there are many stories mentioned in the Puranas. We know only Krishna's story, we hardly know Radharani's stories. Radharani is not so lighter than Krishna, and further we will hear your beautiful stories. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Vancha kalpatarubhya kripa sindhubhyo cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo namaha. Forgive me for any offenses I have done. Offer my respectful obeisances to the Lord of the Vaishnavas who are hearing this Harikatha. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.